Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to move, drag or expand a fillable text box or text field using PDF-XChange Editor. This is my fillable PDF from fillable text box. I'll expand this text box. I'll select this form option and this select field option and click on this text field. Now you can move anywhere this field and see this one also, and this way you can increase decrease this text box size. See this, if you want you can move all of them, or especially you can move anyhow. And see this, all of them box you can increase this size and position and so on. Yeah, this is, or you can use your keyboard arrow key down, right, left and so on. This is, and finally see this file option, save or save as fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.